How to find the best software as a service products for your company. Whether you're needing something to help with payroll, project management or HR, we're living in a time where specialty trade software is growing faster than Jack's Beanstalk. But how do you find a great software as a solutions, sometimes with even free basic accounts? Here are a few tips as you're looking around. Tip number 1. Visit review sites for an overview. In my experience, review sites that cover the kind of tools we're after don't generally give a good enough sense about a thing to be conclusive. What you're wanting to do here is to generate a list of recurring tools. Also keep an eye on which SaaS products offer basic accounts for free. Tip number 2. Try out many tools. My second tip is to try as many tools as you can that seem to fit the minimum requirement of your need. Tip number 3. Factor in support. When it comes to choosing a software as a service product, try to get a sense of how good the support may be with the following: reviews, quality of the company website, initial contact. Tip number 4. Be careful to not get hung up on price. Now, don't get me wrong, if you're reviewing two solutions and the free one seems good for what you need, go with it, or if needed you can even pay for it. One helpful question to ask is, if I was paying someone to do this manually, what would it cost? Another good question could be, how much of my personal time could I be losing by getting frazzled about price on this? Advanced tip. See if the tool has an API. As you're looking at soft as a service products, one thing that more tech-savvy reviewers should consider is where the software has an application programming interface, API. When you can access the data in your software, the possibilities can be endless. Conclusion. Take your time, choose wisely, and even after you've made your decision, keep an open mind about another product down the road that could work even better. If you want to learn more about how to find a software as a products, just click on the link below in description. And thank you for watching. If you found the video useful, please like us and subscribe our channel to get future updates.